Since there will be some oil in the vacuum separation tank, so if you don't need to use the machine, we suggest you to discharge the oil from the vacuum separating tank completely. Now we will show you the operation method. Firstly, we open the oil outlet valve, and then we start machine. Open the power switch. Enter the PLC. We can see the oil in the vacuum separating tank. Now we will discharge oil. We start the oil pump. You see, now there are only half oil level. This oil pump is working. Okay, oil is discharged. Then stop the oil pump. Close oil outlet valve. Okay. Then we close the power switch.